The Poelsan mobile app allows you to easily manage your irrigation control units remotely. Account registration and login procedures. First, download the Poelsan mobile app from the App Store or Play Store. When you first open the app, grant the required permissions. If you have not signed up before, tap the Sign Up button to create your account and log in. You can also use the app by selecting Continue without signing up, scanning and adding a control unit. After logging in, go to the My Devices page and tap the Add Device button. Nearby control units will be scanned. Select the control unit that matches your device ID from the list to start setup. During setup, two different security options are offered. Public access, where the device is open to access without high security measures. Secure access, where you manage the device's accessibility with high security measures. After you make your selection, setup is complete and your device is added to the My Devices list. Starting manual irrigation. After adding the control unit, you can go to the Manual Irrigation page and start instant irrigation. Select the mode that suits your needs from the different manual irrigation options. Then make the necessary settings. Then tap the Start button to begin irrigation. While irrigation is in progress, you can stop the operation if you wish. Creating a program. Programs allow the irrigation schedules you create in advance to run automatically according to the settings you define. To create a program, enter the Programs section. Here, you can select one of the pre-configured A, B, or C programs, or increase the number of programs up to 12 if you wish. First, define the date range during which the program will run. If you do not select any date, the program remains active indefinitely. Select the days on which irrigation will run. You can choose the option that best suits your needs from the available alternative. You can set the irrigation duration for each station separately. You can define a duration of up to 12 hours and assign different durations to each station. Plan the times of day when irrigation will start. You can set up to 8 different start times within a day. After completing all settings, activate the button at the top right to enable your program and save it. Finally, for the program you created to run, it must be sent to the control unit. To do this, return to the Device Details page and complete the Send operation. Additional features. The Additional Features page is where you can configure your irrigation system in a more detailed and flexible way. This section includes advanced options such as seasonal settings, sensor management, master valve/pump, interstation waiting time, and cycle and soak. Seasonal settings allow you to increase or decrease the current irrigation duration as a percentage. For example, when you set the adjustment to 200%, the irrigation duration automatically doubles. With this feature, you can easily optimize the amount of irrigation according to the season. The control unit supports multiple sensors. In the Sensor Management section, you can set sensors to active or inactive and select which stations they will apply to. If you are using a rain sensor, you can also set a delay time that suspends irrigation for a certain period after rainfall is detected. In the Master Valve/Pump section, if a master valve or pump is connected to your system, You can control whether it is active or inactive. You can also define a delay time after the master valve opens and before irrigation starts. With the interstation waiting time feature, you can add a waiting time between stations during sequential irrigation. This allows you to manage irrigation transitions in a more controlled way. The cycle and soak feature allows you to perform irrigation by dividing it into cycles. Cycle time refers to the active irrigation duration, while soak time refers to the waiting time between these cycles. This helps water penetrate the soil more efficiently. For all settings made in the Additional Features section to take effect, you need to return to the Control Unit Details page and complete the Send operation. Details page and irrigation summaries. When you enter the Control Unit page, an irrigation summary showing today's total irrigation duration appears on your screen. You can swipe to view the relevant program summaries or swipe right to access the weather information. The Device Settings page includes a number of settings that the user can customize. If you wish, you can tap your device at the top of the page to change the device name. When you have multiple devices, you can assign tags to your device to find the control unit you want to program more easily. You can rename stations according to your needs. You can share management of your device with another user. You can assign a password to prevent unauthorized access to your device. The password must be 4 digits and consist only of numbers. With device records, you can view which events occurred on the control unit while you were away. With Reset Device, you can restore the device to factory settings. Or with Remove Device, you can delete your device from the device list. Visit Poelsan.com for more details.